YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the special deal I got from PACSUN. Original this price, this jogger pants, the camo style was around like $64.99 plus tax, and it got on sale with the blue tag sale for $19.99 plus tax. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed for you guys to check it out. So this is the PACSUN, and this is size small. As you can see the PACSUN Los Angeles tag, PACSUN.com. Got a blue tag sale. Some of the price is not there, but this is the style number. It says camouflage or camo color. This is more like a yellowish or like a cream white, green, black camo, which is pretty nice. And this is like a cargo pants plus a jogger. You got this Velcro instead of the button. And then there's another pocket on the the other side. So it's the pocket is pretty big. And you got this drawstring right here, right? And there's no zipper in the crotch area. I like this one. This one has a zipper on the inner angle right here on both sides. So it's easier for you to put your socks in and out, or if you need to take it out, it's easier for you to take it out. So this is like a cream white drawstring or off-white. Ooh, I'm not sure why the string's like that. It's kind of like a rip. Anyway, that's why maybe it's on sale. So, and then on the back you got this PACSUN label right here. It's like a metal. I thought it was rubber, but it's metal. And then you got the two of the rear pockets on the back, on the butt area. I'm not sure why there are so many loose thread over here. I need to cut it. So there are like a string of the thread that you need to cut to open up the pocket, okay? All the way, see? So for those people that are new, then you need to cut this so you can use your open up the pocket so it be usable. And this is a PACSUN size small, and it's elastic around the waistband. Okay. So anyway, I thought I could share this with you guys since I got this at the nice awesome deal for only $19.99 plus tax. Because I always tell my son, and then never buy retail or resell. Okay. So this is an awesome deal. Oh, by the way, I bought so much stuff from PACSUN. I didn't even know I have a $10 reward card that I got. So I get them my phone number, and then the guy, the employee, say that I have $10. Do you want to use it? I say, heck yeah, why not? So I use it, and then I end up paying $10.79 with this, with the tax and everything. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to hit that bell for notification. So whenever I upload new and latest video, you can check them out instantly. All right. Please drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.